Welcome back to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla. If you are appearing for the CSIR NET examination, don't miss this video because it can save your last minute confusion at the exam center. In this video, I will explain all 3 pages of the admit card, including how to fill the self-declaration form, what documents you must carry, which items are strictly prohibited, what are the third page means for candidate without an Aadhaar card, and finally complete a exam day checklist. Watch this video till the end so that you can attend your CSIR NET exam with confidence. So let's get started. First, page 1 is self-declaration form. Complete this page before reaching the exam center. Paste your recent passport size photograph in the space provided. Put your left hand thumb impression in the designated box. Do not sign this form at home. Sign only in the presence of invigilator inside the examination hall. Page 2. Instructions for candidates. Carry the following documents: printed CSIR NET admit card, 2 recent passport size photograph, original valid ID proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, any one. Transparent water bottle. Not allowed inside exam hall. Ornaments, jewelry, mobile phone, smartwatch, Bluetooth device, earphones, calculator and other electronic devices, pencils, pens and other stationery. Rough sheets will be provided in the examination center. Wear only simple light normal clothes. Avoid heavy clothing or unnecessary accessories. Page 3. Non-Aadhaar declaration form. This page is only for candidates who do not have Aadhaar card. If you are not using Aadhaar as your identity proof, fill in this declaration form as instructed. Best advice is to avoid any confusion or delay during verification. Carry any one original valid photo ID proof. Finally, quick checklist before leaving home. Admit card, passport size photos 2, original valid ID proof, water bottle, self-declaration completed, photo and thumb impression. That's all for today's video. I hope this complete guided help you understand for the CSIR NET admit card and exam day instructions clearly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla for more CSIR NET, GATE, chemistry and competitive exam updates. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be happy to help. All the best for your CSIR NET examination. Stay confident, stay calm and give your best. Thank you for watching.